In Trebullett today, about 5 miles south of Launceston. Behind me you can see the property that we're selling, which is Victoria Cottage. It was the former post office, has been extended I think during the sort of 1980s, so it does form now a nice 4-bedroom detached property. It does still need some work, which I'll show you when we go inside. Currently it's a lovely December day, and the garden has been levelled, but it does need to be turfed and so on, and then it's a good sized garden which did have former planning permission for another dwelling, which could obviously be resurrected with the right permission. It's situated opposite the church, and you do have lovely views over towards Bodmin Moor. Let's go inside and take a look. Coming into the hallway and into the kitchen. The kitchen is lovely actually. It's got tiles onto the floor, and shaker style kitchen with a wooden worktop, and there is room here for a table for dining. Into the utility room, there is a small toilet in the back there, and obviously you can see the plumbing there for washing machine. That door there takes you out to the garage. We are here in the dining room. You can see there's a wood burning stove there, and this was the part that was the post office, and I believe this is where the actual post office was, so that window there would have been a door. The living room also has a wood burning stove and a very nice fireplace made with granite stones, and does look very nice, and you can see the stairs then ascend up from this. The property does need some work. You've probably noticed so far in this video that there are sort of peeling paint and things like that. Well, I'm going to show you upstairs now, where the bathroom definitely needs a refit. All the components are here, so you can put a nice spa bath in and a shower and everything else, but it's all ready to go. You can see there is a bath and toilet and sink that were here, and I believe they're functional at this point. And you've got a huge room to put all the rest of the stuff. This is one of the smaller bedrooms. This is the other larger bedroom. As you can see, there's 2 windows here. They are double glazed, but you probably want to replace them eventually. And you can see a little bit of damp on the wall there that does need to be addressed by the new. This is one of the larger of the bedrooms. It's good size. This overlooks the front of the property, and you can see there's 2 wardrobes in here. Again, the 4th and smallest bedroom, but all of the bedrooms will fit a double bed. You can see we're on the landing here, nice wide landing. As I've said, the property just needs some careful loving and attention. So if you'd like to make an appointment to view, or you'd like some more information, then do please call us on 01566 776 211, Webbers in Launceston. Thank you.